everyone, welcome back. Today, we'll master Kirchhoff's voltage law, or KVL, with a simple step-by-step example. Let's make circuit analysis easy. Let's begin by identifying our circuit. We have a 5-volt source, a 3-ohm resistor, and a 2-ohm resistor connected in a single loop. Since there's only one loop, we'll assume a clockwise current I. Now, applying Kirchhoff's voltage law, we write the equation 5 minus 3I minus 2I equals 0. Now let's simplify the equation. Combining the current terms gives us 5 minus 5I equals 0. Moving the voltage to the other side, we get 5 equals 5I. Finally, dividing both sides by 5, the current is 1 ampere. Great job! We found the current to be 1 ampere. Remember, KVL becomes easy when you identify the voltage rises and drops correctly. Keep practicing these simple circuits, and soon you'll be solving much more complex problems with confidence. Excellent work today! You learned how to solve a simple circuit using Kirchhoff voltage law, step by step. Keep practicing to build your confidence. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me for more exciting electrical engineering tutorials. See you in the next lesson!
The adventure isn't over yet! Subscribe to MindSpark Tunes for more amazing stories, history, and learning adventures. See you next time!